Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Polynomial of class 9th. All the previous questions we have already completed. You guys can go and check it out the playlist. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is exercise 2.3, question number 1. Let's check it out what the question is saying. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. Means we have to find it out that x plus 1 is the factor of this particular polynomial or not. Previously we got all the things that if whenever we have to find it out whether these find out the zeros of the polynomials or the factors of the polynomial, we got the values are given that x plus 1 or we can say x is equals to 2, x is equals to minus 2. Over there we got the value of x, so we will put that particular value in that particular given polynomial and we can find it out whether these are the factors or not. But now over here the value is given that x plus 1 a factor, so don't get confused. You just have to write it down x plus 1 equals to 0. By this you get the value of x is equals to, send this plus 1 to the left hand side, right hand side, you will get minus 1. So we got that x is equals to minus 1. Now just by putting the value of x in these particular polynomials, we can find it out whether these are the factor, this is the factor of polynomial or not. If the answer will become 0, then we can say yes, it is the factor of the given polynomial. If the answer is not 0, is not equals to 0, we will say no, it is not the factor of the given polynomial. So now let's check it out with the question number 1. It is given x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now put the value of, in place of x, what we have to find it out, write it down minus 1. Minus 1 to the power cube plus minus 1 to the power square plus minus 1 plus 1. So we will get minus 1 to the power of 3, and I've told you whenever the power is, if there is any number which is in minus, and if the power is written, if the power is in odd number, whatsoever answer we will get in minus. And if the answer or you can say the power is in even number, if the power is in even number, we will get the answer in positive, because minus multiplied by minus will always become plus. Okay, so even number, if the power is an odd number, we will get the numbers in minus, and if the power is an even number, we will get the answer in addition. So minus 1 to the power 3, so we will get minus 1 plus minus 1 to the power 2, means minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. The power is 2, 1 plus 1, 1 multiplied by 1 will become 1, plus minus minus 1 and plus 1. We have to write it down is equals to 0, is equals to 0, is equals to 0. Plus minus we can cut, plus minus we can cut, so it will become 0 is equals to 0. Okay, so we can say yes, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, the x plus 1 is a factor of this particular given polynomial. Now let's move to the next part. X to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 is given. Means minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 means the power is an even number, so we will get 1 as answer, plus power is an even number, so we will get the answer in minus, so minus plus will become minus, and we will get 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Again we can write it down plus, because the power is in even, so we will get minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will become plus 1, minus plus will become minus 1, plus 1 is equals to 0, is equals to 0, is equals to 0. So we can cut this out, we get 1 is equals to 0. So we can say okay, it is not equals to 0, so we can say no, it is x plus 1 is not the factor of the given polynomial. Now let's move to the third one. X to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. In the place of x, what we have to put? Minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 minus 1 to the power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, the power is an even, so we will get the number, positive number, and 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 will always become 1. Okay, so we can write it down plus 3 multiplied by what we will get? We will get minus 1 because the power is in odd number, okay, plus 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 1. So we can say 3 multiplied by minus 1 will become minus 3, minus plus will become minus plus 3, and we can say minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1, or we can say is equals to 0, is equals to 0, is equals to 0, is equals to 0. So minus plus we can cut it out, okay, minus 3 plus 3 we can cut it out, we will get 1 is equals to 0. So it is not equals to 0, so we can say, so this x plus 1 is also not the factor of this particular given polynomial. Now let's move to the last part of this particular question. Okay, we know that x is equals to minus 1. So we have to put in place of x, what you have to put? We have to put minus 1. So x to the power cube minus x square minus 2. In the bracket it is written 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2, okay, is equals to 0. We have to find it out, it is equals to 0 or not, if I will put the value of x as minus 1. So we will get minus 1 to the power cube minus 1 to the power square, okay. So once we will open the bracket, okay, so this x will multiply by this, okay, and minus will also multiply by this, okay. So we have to multiply these two numbers, okay. So minus will change, minus multiplied by 2 will become minus 2, and x multiplied by 2 will become x, okay. So it will become minus 2x, minus plus will become minus, and root 2 multiplied by x will become root 2x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Now to put the value of x over here, so you will get minus 1, you will get minus, okay, because minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will become plus, okay, will become 1, and minus sign is outside, so it will become minus 1, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus root 2 will multiply by minus 1 plus root 2 is equals to 0. So minus minus will become plus, so minus 2 minus minus will become plus, 2 ones are 2, minus minus will become plus, and root 2 multiplied by 1 will become root 2 plus root 2 is equals to 0. So we can cut this out, so we will get root 2 plus root 2 is equals to 0. So we can write it on 2 root 2 is not equals to 0. So we can say no, x plus 1 is not the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how you have to do this particular question. Okay, the question is very easy, you just have to put the concentration that how you are doing this particular question. Okay, while opening the bracket, look it out what sort of sign you have to carry. Next question, let's do the question number 2. Let's check it out what the question is saying. Using the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases or not. So we have to find it out whether gx is the factor of this px or not. So in the same particular manner you have to do, we have to first of all find out the value of x, then we have to put the value of x in px, okay. Then if the answer is equals to 0, we can say yes, it is a factor. If the answer is not 0, we can say yes, no, the given factor is not the polynomial of the given or we can say the 0 of the given polynomials, okay. So gx x plus 1 is given. So the question number 1 is, first of all, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Over here it's given gx is equals to x plus 1, means x plus 1 is given is equals to 0. To find out the value of x, first of all send this plus 1 to the right hand side, so we will get x is equals to minus 1. So now in px we will put the value x as minus 1. So over here we will put the value of x as minus 1. So we will get 2 multiplied by minus 1 to the power 3 plus minus 1 to the power square minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 1. So we will get 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 will become 3. If, and I have told you when, if there is a negative number and the power is in odd, so we will get answer always in negative. So we will get multiplied by minus 1 plus, we will get, if the power is in even number, we will get the positive answer, so we will get 1, minus minus will become plus, and 2 ones are 2 minus 1 equals to 0. Let's check it out. So we will get minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. We can cut this out, so we will get 0 is equals to 0. So we can say yes, x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Px, x plus 2. So we will find out the value of x. X plus 2 is equals to 0. So we will get x is equals to minus 2. So in the place of x, what we have to put? Minus 2. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So we will put minus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, we will get answer. The sign is, the power is an odd number, power is odd, so we will get always answer we will get a negative. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, so we will get minus 8 plus, okay, and 3 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, we will get multiplied by 4 plus minus will become minus, and 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So we will get minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. We have to find it out whether it is equals to 0 or not. So we will get minus plus minus, we will get 4 minus 6 plus 1. Okay, so we will get minus 2 plus 1. So we will get minus 1 is not equals to 0. So we can say no, x plus 2 is not the factor, or you can say of the given polynomial. Okay, so now let's move to the last part of this particular question. The question is given x is equals to gx, x is equal x minus 3 is equals to 0. So we want to find out the value of x. X is equals to 3. So now in the place of x, what we have to write it down? We have to write it down 3. Okay, so be very careful. So how you have to do this? Find out the value of x. You have to send this particular minus x to the left hand side, so you will get the value of x. And if once you will put the value of x, you will solve it out, you will get the factor that if it is equals to 0, then it is a factor, otherwise it is not. So x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So x cube means 3 to the power 3 minus 4, 3 to the power 2 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27, minus 4 multiplied by 3 3s are 9, plus we can say, we can add this out. Okay, so we will get 6 plus 3, we will get 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so we will get 27 minus 4 9s are 36 plus 9 is equals to 0. So we can add it out. Once we will add 27 plus 9, we will get 6 and 3, 36 minus 36 is equals to 0. We can cut this out, so we will get yes, we can say, because 0 is equals to 0 is coming, so we can say yes, x minus 3 is the factor of this particular given polynomial. I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it. The question 3 we are doing. Okay, let's check it out what the question is saying. Find the value of k, means we have to find out the value of k if x minus 1 is the factor of px. Means x minus 1 is the factor of px. We have to find out the value of k in each of the following cases. So it is given that x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial, means it is equals to 0. So we will get the value of x by this, x is equals to 1. Means in the place of x, we have to put the value of 1, and we can find it out the value of k. Okay, so first question is given that x square plus x plus k is equals to 0. So x means 1 square plus 1 plus k is equals to 0. We will get 1 plus 1 plus k is equals to 0. So we will get 2 plus k is equals to 0. So we get k is equals to minus 2. Okay, so we got the value of k over here in the first question. Minus 2 is the value of the given polynomial. Now let's move to the next part. Two x square plus kx plus root 2. Now we have to put the value of x. So x means 2 multiplied by 1 to the power 2 plus k multiplied by 1 plus root 2 is equals to 0. So we will get 2 plus k plus root 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so we can put this out. We can send these numbers to the right hand side. So we will say k is equals to minus 2 minus root 2. So we can take minus as common. So we can say k is equals to minus 2 plus root 2. Okay. So we got the value of k. We can leave it over here also, and we can do it in this particular manner also. Okay. Both the answers are absolutely correct. Okay. Now let's move to the third part. So the third part is kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So k x square means multiplied by minus 1 square minus root 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1, okay, is equals to 0. So we can say k minus root 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. So we will send the right hand side to the right hand side, each and everything. So we will get k is equals to minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so this is the answer. We got the value of k, that is minus 1 plus root 2. Now let's move to the last question. The question is kx square minus 3x plus k is equals to 0. Now put the value of x, that is k multiplied by 1 square minus 3 multiplied by 1 plus k is equals to 0. We will get k minus 3 plus k is equals to 0. So we will get k plus k, we will get 2k minus 3 is equals to 0. So we got 2k is equals to 3. So k is equals to 3 upon 2. So we got the value of k, that is 3 upon 2. Okay, and this is the answer. I hope so you guys understood that how we are doing it. The questions are very easy. Just you have to find out the value of x. You have to put the value of x in the given equation. You will solve it out, or you will get the value of k. Okay, please do like and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Now these questions are very interesting. Before this, the questions which we are doing, that are very simple. Now the questions we have to do by using the splitting the middle term. Okay, because the numbers which are given to us in the form of, we will use in this particular polynomial, we will use the formula, that is splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Okay, by using this particular formula we will do these particular questions. Okay, so be very careful how we are doing. If you have watched my introduction part, okay, you will able to do these questions by yourself. If you haven't watched the introduction part, okay, put the full concentration in this particular video. Okay, so the question is given 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to multiply the first term and the last term. Okay, means this one and this one. So we will get 12 ones are 12. So we can get 12. Then we have to take the LCM, or we can say prime factorization of 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Now if we will multiply these terms, we will get 12. Okay, and we have to write it down in this particular manner. So by doing plus or minus, we will get minus 7. What we will get? Minus 7. So if I will say 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. But in the middle, what we have to find it on? Minus 7. So we can say minus 4 and minus 3 will become minus 7. So we will get minus 7. Okay, so in this particular way, we have to split the middle term. Okay, so we will get 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. So you got that minus minus plus minus 7 will be the answer. So once we will solve this particular equation, we will get this only. So it means I'm absolutely correct. So we can take 4x as common over here. So we will say 4x we can take common, so we will get 4 3 are 12 means 3, and x is 2x is over here, so we will get 1x over here, we can write it down, minus 4x we have taken common, so nothing is left over here, so we will write it down 1. Now we have to write it down 3x minus 1 in the bracket. Okay, so that's why we will take plus 1 as common. Okay, sorry, minus 1 as common, so we will get 3x we will take minus 1 over here. So once we will take minus 1 is common, so we will get 3x minus 1. Once we will open the bracket, you can check it out, 4x multiplied by 3x, we will get 12x, 4 3 are 12 and x square. 4x multiplied by 1, we will get minus 4x. If I will multiply minus 1 by 3x, we will get minus 3x. If I will multiply by minus 1 by minus 1, we will get plus 1. So I am absolutely correct. So 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 are the factors of this particular given polynomial. Okay, and this is the answer. In this particular way, you have to do the question. First of all, you have to multiply first and the last term, then you have to take the prime factorization of that terms. Okay, so you will get the numbers. Now let's move to the second part. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Multiply first and the second part term, so we will get 3 2 just 6. We will take 6 as LCM, so we can say 6 2 3 just 6 and 3 1s are. Okay, so we will get 3 2s are 6, means 3 multiplied by 2 we will get 6, but we have to find it out 7 over here. So if I will say 6 multiplied by 1, what we will get 6, and 6 plus 1, what we will get 7. So by this we can write it down, we can split in this particular manner, that is 2x square plus, okay, 6x plus 1x plus 3. Okay, so 6 1 just 6 we will get, and 6 plus 1 we will get 7. So we can say 2x as common, so we will get x over here, and plus 3 2 ja 6 means 3, and x we have already taken common over here, so we will let x plus 3 inside, and we will take plus 1 as common, so we will get x plus 3 in the bracket. So x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 is the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, what you have to do, you have to first of all split the middle term, then you have to take the common. Over here we can take 2x as common, because if I will take 2x common over here, we will get x plus 3. If you will multiply this, you will get this only. Let's check it out. 2x multiplied by x, we will get 2x square, and 2x multiplied by 3, what we will get, 2 3 just 6, and x we will get as x. 1 we can multiply by, we will get the same answer. Okay, now we have to take the common like this, x plus 3 is common, and 2x plus 1. Okay, we will get the answer. These are the factors. Now let's move to the third part of this. I hope so you guys understood that how we have to do the questions. Just if you have any doubt, you can watch the introduction part. I have explained each and everything in the easiest manner over there, and I have explained, I am doing in the easiest way over here, so you will easily do it by yourself. Okay, so we will get 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So we will get 6 6 are 36, means we have to take the prime factorization of 36. 2 1s are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So if I will multiply this, we will get 36, but what we have to take, we will get 5x. So we can say 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So if I will minus 9 minus 4, we will get 5. Okay, so we can say, write it down in this particular manner, 6x square, okay, plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. So we can take, what we can take common over here, 6 is over here and the 9 is over here. So if I will take 3 as common, because by 3 we can multiply, divide 6 also and 9 also. So 3 2 just 6, and we can take x as common, because in both the equation x is there, we can take x as common. So we will get 2x plus 3 3s are 9. So we will get 3 3s are 9, 3 2 just 6, x square, 3 3s are 9, and x as. Over here what we have to take, we have to take the value common, by which we will get 2x plus 3 in the bracket. So we can take minus 2 as common. So if I will take minus 2 as common, we will get 2x, because minus 2 multiplied by minus 2x we will get minus 4x. Minus 2 3 just 6 means we will get 3. So we will get minus, we have to take minus, outside there is a minus sign, so we have to put plus over here. There. So minus plus will become minus. Okay. So we will get 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, like this you have to do the questions. You have to be very accurate at what you are taking common and what sort of things you are taking once you are doing the prime factorization. Okay, so be careful doing when you are doing that. So we will get 3x square minus x minus 4. 4 3s are 12, so we will get 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So again we will get 4 minus 3. If we can write it down, we will get 1. And what we have to take, minus 1 should be there, so we have to put minus sign over here. Okay, but minus minus will become plus, so we can do that. Take minus 4 and plus 3. So minus plus will become minus, so we will get 1 as answer, and we can take the sign of the greater value. So we can say 3x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 4. So we can say what we can take common, x we can take common over here, because apart from x neither we can take 3 nor 4. So if we will take x as common, so it will become 3x minus 4. If I will take plus 1 common, so we will get 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, the questions are very easy. Just concentrate while doing the questions that what sort of prime factorization you have to do, how you will add or subtract, so you will get this particular answer. Okay, and if you will multiply, you will get the answer that 4 3 are 12, means the multiplication of first term and the last term. Introduction part is also there. I've explained you each and everything in the easiest manner possible, so you guys can go and check it out. Please do like and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Now the question number 5 is saying factorize, means we have to factorize these equations and we have to find out the factors. Okay, so first of all, over here it is a cubic polynomial. Okay, the polynomial which is given to us is cubic polynomial. So to solve the cubic polynomial, I have told you that there are some methods to do that, but the easiest method I will explain you. First of all, what we have to do, we have to do hit and trial method. Hit and trial. Then again after that we have to, after hit and trial method, what we have to do, we have to do division, and after that splitting the middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term we have to do, means we have to apply these three terms or these three methods to solve this particular question. Okay, so this is the easiest method. There is one another way to do these particular questions, but that particular method is little bit difficult, so I'm not explaining you by that particular method. Okay, rest depends on you. If you are feel like that that particular method is easy, you can do by that particular method also. Okay, so first of all, what is hit and trial method? First of all, what we have to do, we have to find out the factors of the last term. Okay, by which it is divisible, so we can say the factor of 2 is, we can divide it by minus 1, 1 plus 1, minus 2 and plus 2. This is the factors of these. Okay, by putting the value of minus 1 in the place of x, by putting the value of plus 1, we will check it out by which the equation is becoming 0. Okay, by which the equation will become 0, we will do in that particular, that is the factor of this particular equation. So let's check it out. First of all, by minus 1, so in the place of x, what we will do minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, it will become minus 1. Okay, multiplied by minus 1 and multiplied by minus 1, so we will get plus 2 and we will get plus 1. Plus 2 is equals to 0. So minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, plus 2, and plus 2 we cannot cancel, so it will become 4 is equals to 0. So it is not, minus 1 is not the factor. Okay, so I'll put 1 over here. So let's check it out by doing 1. So if you will do by you doing 1, we will get 1 to the power cube minus 2, 1 to the power square minus 1 plus 2. So you will get 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. We can cut this out. It means 0 is equals to 0. It means x is equals to minus 1. So by this we can get the factor. The factor of this is, we will send minus 1 to the right hand side. So it will become x plus 1. X plus 1 is the factor of this particular equation, the first one. Okay, now by hidden trial method I got the factors of this particular equation. Now by this factor we have to divide the particular equation. So let's divide now. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, x plus 1, we have to multiply. So we want x cube over here x is there. So we have to first of all solve the first one. So to get x cube, what we have to do, we have to multiply this by x cube, sorry, x square. X square plus multiplied by x will become x cube. Okay, and the sign will be plus. X multiplied by 1, it will become 1x square. So we'll change the sign, it will become minus, it will become minus. So we can cut this out. Minus minus will become plus. Okay, and minus, so it will become 3x square minus 3x square minus x. Now what we want minus 3x square. So what we can do, we can multiply it by minus x, minus 3x. So once we will multiply it by minus 3x, so it will become plus minus minus. Okay, or we can do it by plus also. If we will do by multiplied by plus, so it will become 3x square. Okay, plus 3x multiplied by 1 we will get 3x. So by this we cannot, the sign is already changed, so we can cut this out. It will become minus plus minus, it will become 2x. So 2x plus 2. Now if I will multiply it by plus 2, so we will get 2 multiplied by x, we will get 2x, and if we will multiply by 2 multiplied by 1, we will get 2. So we will get, it will become 0. So we will get answer by doing the division. We get x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2. We will get this particular equation. Now we have to do the last method, that is splitting the middle term. So by splitting the middle term we will get, so what we have to do, we have to first of all multiply the first and the last term, so it will become 2 only. Once we will multiply, it will get 2, and 2 plus 1 will become 3. So we can say x square plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. So we can take x as common, so we will become x plus 2. We can take 1 common over here, so it will become x plus 2. So it will become x plus 2 and x plus 1. So we got the 3 factors. The first one is x plus 1, okay, and x plus 2 and x plus 1. These are the factors, 3 factors of this particular equation. Okay, by doing this particular method we can easily find it out that how we have to do it. I hope so you guys understood that how you have to do the particular question. Now let's move to the second part. That is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay, first of all we have to check it out by which 5, we have to find out the factors of 5. So it will become minus 1 plus 1, okay, minus 5 and plus 5. These are the factors of this. Okay, so now let's check it out by putting the values of this. We will check it out that by putting which equation the number is becoming 0. Okay, check it out. First of all, let's put the positive number, that is 1. So let's check it out. X square means in the place of x, what we have to put? We have to put 1. So we will put 1 cube minus 3 multiplied by 1 square, or we can directly write it down 1 square minus 9 multiplied by 1 minus 5. So we will get 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5 is equals to 0. So we can check it out. So it will become, so minus, it will become minus 2, okay, minus 9 minus 5. So minus minus plus, so it will become minus 11 minus 5 is equals to 0. So it will become minus minus plus, it will become 16. Minus 16 is equals to 0. So it means it is not the factor. Okay, so now let's check it out. Let's put minus 1 now. So minus 1 whole cube minus 3 minus 1 square minus 9 minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. So we will get minus 1. So we will get minus 3, minus minus will become plus, okay, and it will become 9, and we will get minus 5. So minus minus will become plus, minus 4 plus 9 minus 5 is equals to 0. So it will become minus 9 plus 9 is equals to 0. We can cut it out. So we will get 0 is equals to 0. It means minus 5x is equals to minus 1. So by this we got that x is equals to minus 1. It means x plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the factor. So we got that x plus 1 is the factor of the given equation, that is x plus 1. This is the first factor we will get. So now let's divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 by x plus 1. So we have to multiply it by x cube, sorry, x square. So if I will multiply it by x square, so it will become x cube, okay, it will become plus x square. So first I will change the sign, so it will be, we can cancel it out, minus minus will become plus, okay, so we will get minus 4x square minus 9x, okay, so we will multiply it by minus 4x, so it will become minus 4x square minus 4x, okay, plus minus will become minus, so we will change the sign, it will become plus, it will become plus, we can cancel it out, so we will get minus 5x and minus 5, so we can divide it by minus 5. So once I will do that, so we will get minus 5x and plus minus minus 5, so we can change the sign, plus, and it will become plus, so we can cancel it out, so we will get the equation, that is x square minus 4x minus 5. By this we will get this particular equation. So by solving it by splitting the middle term, we can find out the next two factors. So splitting the middle term, what we have to do, we have to, multiplication will become 5, so we can do that x square minus sign will be there, minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 will become 5, and 5 minus 1 will become minus 4. So we can take x as common, so it will become x minus 5, and we can take plus 1 common, so it will become x minus 5. So x minus 5 and x plus 1 are the two factors, and the third one is x plus 1. So these are the three factors of this particular fraction. Okay, now let's move to the third part. I hope so you guys are understanding, because this method you are looking, it's look like that this method is little bit lengthy, but the method is very easy. Okay, just hit and trial method, by just hit and trial method you can easily find it out the questions. Okay, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Again we will put it out, so let's put it out minus 1 plus 1. So first of all let's put it out plus 1. Okay, so we can check it out. So all the signs are in positive, so let's find it out by doing the negative 1 minus 1. Put it out minus 1, minus 1 whole cube plus 13 multiplied by minus 1 whole square plus 32 multiplied by minus 1 plus 20. So we will get minus 1 plus, we will get 13, we will get minus 32 plus 20 is equals to 0. So minus plus will become minus, and it will become 12 minus 32 plus 20. So minus minus and plus, plus minus will become minus, minus 20 plus 20 is equals to 0. We can cancel it out. So we got that by putting minus 1 in the place of x is equals to minus 1, by putting this we got the equation the equation is becoming 0. So we will get, by moving to the right hand side, the first factor is x plus 1. So x plus 1 is the first factor of this particular equation. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to divide this particular equation by x plus 1. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So x plus 1. Now let's multiply it by, what we want x cube, so we will multiply it by x square. So if I will multiply it by x square, we will get x cube plus x square. So we can change the sign, minus we can cancel out, plus minus will become minus. We will get 12x square plus 32x. Okay, so we will do plus, we will multiply, we want x square and 12, we can multiply it by 12x. So we will get 12x square plus 12x. So plus minus we can cancel it out, it will become minus, so we will get 20x. 20x plus 20. So we can multiply it by 20, so we will get 20x plus 20, so we can cancel it out. So we got x square plus 12x plus 20. Now by using the splitting the middle term, we can find out the next two factors. Okay, 20 means we have to multiply, we will get 20 and we will get 12. So we will do the prime factorization of 20, we will get 10, we will get 5 and 5. Okay, 5 to the 10 plus 12 means we can do 10 plus 2, we will get 12, and 10 multiplied by 2 we will get 20. So we will get x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. So x we can take common, so we will get x plus 10, and we can take plus 2 common, we will get x plus 10. So x plus 10 and x plus 2, these are the two factors of this particular equation. So we got x plus 2, x plus 10 and x plus 1. These are the three factors of the given equation. These are the three factors of the given equation. I hope so you guys understood. Okay, the questions are absolutely easy by this particular method. If I will do by the different method, it will become little bit complicated. So it is the method is little bit lengthy, but the method is absolutely easy. Once you will try, or you will solve 2 or 3 questions, you will able to understand each and everything, and you can do each and every question by yourself. Okay, now 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now let's put 1 first of all in the place of y. So 2 multiplied by 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1. So it will become 2 plus 1, it will become minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So it will get cancel it out, so 0 is equals to 0. So we will get 0 is equals to 0, it means we can put 1. So we will get y is equals to 1, sorry, so we will get y minus 1 is okay as the factor. So the first factor is y plus 1. So the first factor is y plus 1. Now we have, what we have to do, we have to move to the second one. We have to divide this particular equation by y plus 1. So we will get 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So y plus 1. So we will multiply it by 2y square. So we will get 2y cube plus 2y square. We can change the sign, minus, it will become minus, it will get cancelled, so it minus plus will become minus, so we will get y square minus 2y. Okay, so we can multiply it by minus y, so we will get minus y square minus y. We can change the sign, it will become plus, it will become minus, sorry, plus, we can cancel it out, plus minus will become minus, so we will get y minus 1. Okay, so we can multiply it by minus 1, so we will get y minus 1, okay, by changing the sign. Okay, so we will get the factor, that is 2y square minus y plus, sorry, minus 1. So now by using the splitting the middle term, first of all what we have to do, we have to multiply last term and the first term, we will get 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, means we can do 2y square minus 2y plus 1 1y minus 1. So we can take 2y as common, so we will get y minus 1, and we can take plus 1 common, so we will get y minus 1. So we will get y minus 1 and 2y plus 1. So these are the two factors, that is y minus 1 and 2y plus 1, and x and y plus 1. These are the three factors of this particular equations. Okay, I hope so you guys understood. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. The questions which I am doing, okay, is the easiest way, okay, to solve the questions. Try to learn in this particular manner also, okay, because this is the easiest way to solve this particular question. By using this particular formula, you can solve the cubic polynomial, okay, in the easiest way. Okay, have a wonderful day guys. Bye bye, take care. We have completed this particular exercise. Next exercise we will do in the next video. Bye bye, take care.